This is the end of day 3 at the church in Fort Pierce. I got my second coat of mud. That's been applied all the way around. So tomorrow I'll come in, scrape off my chunks on the beads and stuff, and put a finish coat on. It's pretty dry in here, and I'm using 90-minute mud, so my finish coat should dry pretty quick. I should be able to get that sanded off and then reinstall the baseboards, chair rail that came off of here. Well, you really can't call it chair rail because it's 5 feet off the ground. And my baseboards down here. And then it will be done. It will be up to the church to do the painting. They're going to handle that. So tomorrow when I'm all done, I'll shoot another video. And of course the water fountain and the wash basin in the back, I've already installed them. So this job will be done. Like I said, not a very big job, but work is work, right?